Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to start the same topic, that is Heron's formula, and I have taken some more question based on Heron's formula. Let's see the question. The length of sides of a triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter, and 30 centimeter, and we have to find the area of this triangle. Now we have three sides. The measurement of three sides is given. Let us take the name as ABC. It's given one side is 26 centimeter, other side is 28 centimeter, and the third side is 30 centimeter. So we have to find the semi perimeter, that is S, and the formula for S is A plus B plus C by 2. A is 26, B is 28, and C is 30 by 2. This will be 84 by 2, that is we will get here 42 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. So the area of triangle ABC will be equal to under root, the formula is S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. I am going to put the values of all these things. S is 42, again S is 42, minus A is 26, S is 42, minus B is 28, S is 42, minus C is 30. So this will be 42 into 16 into 14 into 8. Sorry, not 8. It should be 12. So this will be equal to, now I have to factorize all these terms. So 42 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 14 can be written as 2 into 7, and 12 can be written as 2 into 3 into 2. Now I am going to make the pair. 2 will make a pair, so 2 out. 2 will make a pair, so again 2 out. 2 will make a pair, again 2 out, and this 2 and this 2 will make a pair, again 2 is out. 3 and 3 will make a pair, 3 is out. 7 and 7 will make a pair, 7 is out. So we will get here, let us multiply these things, and we will get here 336 centimeter square. This will be our answer. I am going to take the next question based on the Heron's formula. Let's see. The unequal sides of an isosceles triangle is 6 centimeter and its perimeter is given 24 centimeter. We have to find the area. We have a triangle. Suppose the name is XYZ and it is an isosceles triangle and its unequal side. Unequal side means this side is unequal and this is given 6 centimeter and the perimeter is given 24 centimeter. So let us suppose this is A. Perimeter means the sum of the boundary wall, that is A plus B plus C. Here we have A is equals to A, B is equals to also A, and C is equals to 6 centimeter. So I can write here perimeter is given 24 centimeter. Let it as it is. A as it is. In place of B I will write here A, and in place of 6 C I will write here 6. This will be 24 minus 6 is equals to 2A. So this I will get here 18 by 2 is equals to A. That means 9. So we'll get a equal side as 9 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of triangle XYZ. Now it's your choice. You can use the Heron's formula to find the area, or you can use the area of isosceles triangle, the direct formula, to find the area of this isosceles triangle. So we have the formula, that is b by 4 under root 2a whole square minus b square. So this can be, our b is 6 by 4 under root 2, a is 9 whole square minus b is 6 whole square. Let's solve this one. So here we'll get 3 by 2 under root 18 square minus 6 square. So I'm going to use a plus b, a minus b formula. So here 18 plus 6 and 18 minus 6. So we'll get here under root 18 plus 6 will be, this will be 24 into, and 18 minus 6 will be 12. So this is 3 by 2. Now 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 12, 2 is 24, and this is 2 into 3 into 2. Now I will make a pair. So this will be these two, this 2 and this 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 out, and root 2 is left under 2 left under root. So we'll get here 18 root 2 centimeter square. So the area of this triangle will be 18 root 2 centimeter square. You can use the Heron's formula also to find the, if you don't remember the formula of isosceles triangle, if you don't know the formula for finding the area of isosceles triangle, you can use the Heron's formula also to find the area of this isosceles triangle. Now the next question is, find the area of equilateral triangle ABCD whose AB is equals to 13 centimeter, BC 12 centimeter, CD 9 centimeter, DA 14 centimeter, and diagonal BD is equals to 15 centimeter. I am going to make a figure. AB 13 centimeter, let it be AB, BC 12 centimeter, CD 9 centimeter, and DA will be 14 centimeters given in the question. And also it's given ki BD is equals to 15 centimeter. So what we will do, we will find the area of this triangle by using the Heron's formula, because we know the sides or measurement of all the three sides, and then we will find the area of next triangle. So for triangle ABD, S that is equals to A plus B plus C by 2, and our A is 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. This will be 12, 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Now I will find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABD will be equal to S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. This will be equal to under root 21 minus 13. I left the 21. So 21 minus 14 and 21 minus 15. This will be 21 into 8, 7 and 6. So this can be written as 7 into 3. This is 2 into 2 into 2. This is 7. This is 2 into 3. So making a pair, 7 out, 3 out, and 2 and 2. So I will get here 84 centimeter square. Now I'm going to find the area of the next one, that is for triangle BCD. Now again S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2, that will be equal to 12 plus 9 plus 15 by 2. So we'll get here 36 by 2, that means 18 centimeter. Now the area of triangle ABD, sorry, not it's ABD, it's BDC will be equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This will be equal to, our S is 18, 18 minus 12, then 18 minus 9 and then 18 minus 15. So we'll get here 18 into 6 into 9, 3. So 18 means 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 9 is written as 3 into 3 and 1 more 3. So taking out common 2, 3, 3 and 3. So we'll get here 54 centimeter square. So I can say the area of this, area of quadrilateral ABCD will be equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDC. This is equal to 84 plus 54 centimeter square, that will be equal to 138 centimeter square. Now I will give you some question based on these type of based on these examples, and you all have to do it in your fair copy. Thank you.